Understanding Guitar Tablature, a simple guide. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of music with a focus on guitar tablature. Whether you're a budding guitarist or just curious about music notations, understanding guitar tablature, or tabs for short, will open a new dimension in your musical journey. So, let's decode this simple yet powerful tool for learning and writing guitar music. Guitar tablature is a form of musical notation specifically designed for guitarists. Unlike traditional music notation, which can be complex and requires knowledge of musical theory, tabs are simpler and more intuitive. Tabs use lines and numbers instead of notes on a staff, making it easier for beginners to start playing songs quickly. A guitar tab consists of 6 horizontal lines, each representing a string on the guitar. The bottom line represents the lowest string, E, and the top line represents the highest string, E. Numbers placed on these lines indicate which fret to press down. For example, a 3 on the bottom line means you press down the 3rd fret on the lowest string. In tabs, you might also encounter symbols like H, hammer-on, P, pull-off, or tilde, vibrato, which indicate specific playing techniques. Understanding these symbols is crucial for playing the piece as intended. Guitar tabs are incredibly popular for several reasons. Easy to learn, tabs are straightforward and don't require reading music. Quick to start, you can start playing songs right away, which is encouraging for beginners. Widely available, there's a vast library of tabs available for songs of all genres and eras. However, remember that tabs don't convey the rhythm or timing of the music. It's often helpful to listen to the song while you're learning it from a tab. To make the most out of tabs, keep these tips in mind. Start slow. Take your time to understand the tab and the song's structure. Listen to the song. Hearing the song can help you understand the rhythm and timing. Practice regularly. Like any skill, getting better at reading tabs and playing the guitar takes practice. And that's a wrap on guitar tablature. We hope this video has shed light on how tabs work and how they can be a valuable tool for any guitarist. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the world of music is at your fingertips with the help of guitar tabs. Keep strumming. Until next time, happy playing!